And we're live. My name's Justin. This is Fast Entrepreneur, not a financial advisor. Do your own research. There you go. Let's get into it. So guys, today we're going to do a follow-up video from yesterday on the crypto markets. And if you've been following, you knew we had a huge dump over the last several weeks. Everybody's asking, where is the bottom? My opinion is that in the medium to longer term, we are not yet done with this bull run. There's a lot of indicators that are out there. One website, if you want to look out, you can go look into bitcoin.com. But what I want to say is, yesterday I shot a video, and did you buy the dip? And I think it's easier said than done. One, there's the emotional, is this going to drop more? Is it dropping more? The trend is dropping. Do I want to put money in? Do I want to keep dropping? What if it drops? Two is I'll just wait and see. Three is I don't have any more money to throw into this. My bags just, got demolished. I'm down over 50% in the last several weeks. And these are all real feelings. This is psychology, and this is just reality for a lot of yous. And if you did just hodl through this, you're starting to come back, but we're still obviously quite a ways away. Now, if you got liquidated on margin calls, that money's gone forever, right? That's buy. If you're into is that the Backstreet Boys or is that the other ones? Bye. But so here we stand. Yesterday was a good day to kind of take advantage. Obviously there's only two ways it goes. It goes up or it goes down, right? That's the way the market works. And at any given time, it's up to you to figure out, well, what is the risk that you perceive and what's the opportunity cost of entering into a trade, not entering into a trade. And you have to figure out, how much, do I go in? And so I don't know what you did, but, I took a look, at just a few opportunities. And mostly I didn't do a whole lot. I looked at Luna. The reason I looked at Luna is because I said, you know what, if we are done dumping, right, and let's say we're going to be in between this channel, let's say 30 and 40,000 for a little bit of time, what are maybe some top 20 coins, top 30 coins, right? These are ones that are most likely going to be one of the first to bounce back. If they do, we know that usually that's how liquidity moves, and it's usually a safer play than some of the other low alts that could just get lost in the sauce. So I looked at Luna, and the reason I looked at Luna primarily is it fit those criteria I was looking at, but it also was significantly more multiples away from just its local high. And so like Bitcoin, we could say Bitcoin had dropped about 50%, right? So, even if it went back up, to where it was, that's 2x if you put in, if you were able to buy or put in some fresh dough. But Luna, when I had looked at it, was, I think, $4 or $5. I think that was around a 4 or 5x from its high. And things like Polkadot and Cardano, maybe 2.5 x away, maybe 2x. So I looked at Luna, and my thinking was, a little bit of Luna, and if you're going to do margin, KuCoin's got some margin. If you set a tight stop loss, yeah, you might lose on the way, if it wicks back down. But at least you can control your loss, unlike an utter liquidation. But you also, if you think it was going to make that move, you play accordingly. So anyways, that's where we stand today. I am out and about today, going to get some fresh air. We're in the, what are we, maybe 70s or something today. Looks like we're getting tomorrow, a little bit of humidity up here in upstate New York, and then it looks like a cold front, so probably a whole mix of storms perhaps coming in the middle of the week here. But hopefully that's not the case with the crypto world, right? But today seems to be a good day for me just outside, but it also seems to be a good day in the crypto sphere. So, yeah, what did you all do? Did you buy the dip? Are you just waiting to see? You know, what do you think all this China news? Is it FUD? Is it not FUD? You know, these are choices and decisions and thoughts that we all have to sort out. So, yeah, I mean, we obviously still got a long way to go. It looks like, you know, we may range, but hey, if we have another breakout, we might have, you know, some quick recovery, but we'll have to wait and see. I think just on a fundamental level, it looks like big report from Goldman Sachs. If you don't know them, now you do. Goldman Sachs, one of the largest banks in the world, got their hands in everything. They put out a report. I don't know if they actually put it out. I think it might have been, I don't know if it was supposed to be out or not, but anyways, it's out. I don't know if it got leaked or how, but potentially looking at Bitcoin itself as a new asset class. So that would be pretty interesting. So we'll have to wait and see. But anyways, you know, that's where we're at. I mean, if you believe that the bull market still has a little bit more gas in the tank, you know, we're probably looking at some bargain prices. Yesterday looked like a great day. Who knows if we're going to go up or down here in the short term, but stay tuned. Put in the comments, let me know what you think. What are you doing? What are you thinking about here? And what else? I'm trying to think if there was anything else that I wanted to bring up. You know, I think that's it. I mean, you know, hit subscribe if you like. You know, I like coming to you guys and, you know, sharing what's on my mind, and I definitely appreciate you know, your feedback in the comments, and definitely subscribing. It shows me that there's real people on the other side of this, and you know, we're all in this together. We're all trying to figure this out. If there's any comments or any specific topics that you want me to cover, you know, in future videos, or clarify maybe something that I've said, or just kind of whatever, put it in the comments, and, you know, I'll see what I can do. Anyways, with that being said, I'm gonna get outside. I'm gonna take a little walk, and let's see where this goes. Right now, as I'm shooting this, I think Bitcoin is back up around 39,000. So huge bump from just the other day, around 31. So let's see where we're gonna go. Talk to you soon, guys. Peace.